Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to split your screen on Mac. Step 1. Open at least two apps or two windows of one app. If you don't have at least two opens, you won't be able to run a split screen, but note that the feature works with multiple windows in, for instance, Chrome. Step 2. On one app, hover your cursor over the green full screen button top left at a small menu will appear. Step 3. Click the window to left of the screen to you. Guess it snap the windows to the left half of the screen or the tile window to the right of the screen. To do the opposite step 4, you will be prompted to select and for whichever side is remaining on the opposing side, select an app from the ones you have open. If you don't have any open, you will be reverted to full screen mode. Step 5. Drag the slider to adjust the split ratio. Step 6. Simply hit yes to exit the split screen. Alternatively, move your cursor to the top of the screen and the taskbar will appear. Then click the green button to exit the split screen or hover over the green button again for more options. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.